joyful meal at restaurant. Elena and her best friend Sophia decided to have dinner at a cool restaurant known for mixing up traditional and fun, new flavors. As they settled into a cozy spot, the warm glow of the place and the gentle background music made them feel right at home. Eager to try something new, they scanned the menu with excitement. Elena, who loved trying daring dishes, suggested something a bit unusual. Elena, how about the chili chocolate scallops? I've heard they're a wild mix of tastes. Sophia, a bit more cautious but trusting in Elena's adventurous palate, agreed with a smile. Sophia, sounds good. Let's also get the garlic lemon asparagus to balance it out with something familiar. Their waiter, noting their excitement, smiled and jotted down the order. Waiter, excellent choices, ladies. May I suggest the chef's special tonight, the pan-seared salmon with mango glaze? The friends looked at each other and nodded in agreement, excited about the recommendation. Elena, that sounds delightful. We'll have 2 of those, please. With their order on the way, the friends leaned back, ready to catch up on life. Elena was curious about Sophia's big project at work. Elena, so how's the new project at work? Last time we spoke, you were about to present your proposal. Sophia's face lit up as she shared her news. Sophia, it went well. Better than I expected, actually. The clients loved the proposal, and we're moving ahead with the project. It's been hectic, but so rewarding. Elena was genuinely happy for her friend. Elena, that's fantastic, Sophia. Your hard work always pays off. You're such an inspiration. As they chatted and laughed, sharing stories and supporting each other through ups and downs, their starters arrived, filling the air with delicious aromas. The chili chocolate scallops were a hit, surprising them with a mix of sweet and spicy. Elena, wow, this is amazing. The sweet and spicy together are just perfect. Sophia enjoyed the asparagus, finding comfort in its simple yet perfect flavor. Sophia, the asparagus is just right. Simple flavors are sometimes the best. The conversation turned to Elena's recent work as they enjoyed their main course. Sophia, and what about you, Elena? How's the photography going? I saw your recent exhibition online, and it was breathtaking. Elena, humbled and grateful for the recognition, shared her thoughts. Elena, thank you, Sophia. It's been an incredible journey. Each photograph tells a story, and I feel like I'm finally sharing parts of myself with the world. It's both terrifying and exhilarating. Their dinner at the restaurant turned out to be more than just a meal. It was a celebration of their friendship, filled with delicious food, laughter, and support for each other's dreams and challenges.